How to turn off recognize Nomedia on MX Player app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to MX Player. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top right here and click on this little menu icon. After you click on it, now all what you have to do is go down and you will find recognize Nomedia option and click here and click done. So easy and fast as you can see. I hope this video was helpful for you and because it was so easy actually, and thank you so much for watching until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.